Hello everybody, H is for Harambe. I started the video with more trading because I am legit obsessed. That's it. I am obviously big wing collector. But yeah, if you want to trade me, if you want to try and stalk me, it's ManuelGirl123E. So, yeah, let's see. Oh, she wants me to offer for the. Let's see what it is. Ooh, she has DD heels, but I did this off camera and I actually got them. I have the heels, but I want to offer for a corset. Okay, so she has, I have the heels, but I offer for the corset. I'm also a corset collector. I'm trying really hard to get good items. And these mid-wings. Don't judge. You're not allowed to judge. Watcher. Okay, so I'm going to be trying to do paperclip challenge again. I want to see what my wings. I traded. Ooh. Yeah, I got these because I'm trying to get the big wings. So what I need, water big wings. I'm probably gonna just buy big wings that I like because these aren't really that big, so these I'm just gonna buy ones. I have big wings for this. I don't have big wings for this, and the big wings for this are probably gonna be that or floral feathers. Yeah, I want floral feathers. I'm gonna try and trade or talk to where or changing or in a store. So yeah, she's probably gonna offer for my heels because they're Dawn Valentina. I have your top. Okay, so now back to what I was doing. I saw floral feathers. I can buy floral feathers actually, but for Ice Guardian, yeah, I think I might buy these. I have just enough. So yeah, let's buy these. It's like Ice Empress, gross. Ice Guardian, nice. So yeah, I'm gonna purchase these. I have a store, so it's very cheap prices. So once you start stacking, oh my god, nah, these go. So I have fire, ice, light, dark. So I just need nature and water. Nature, I'm probably gonna get last because these are so cheap. As an Empress, I want that. It's worth 12k, so I have 24k. I need 24k. Not bad. My sister has 25k. Crying. Moving onward to today's video, it is doing more paperclip challenge because I'm legit obsessed and own stuff because poor. Actually, I think, yeah, I'm gonna do the paperclip challenge. Hello. Okay. Why? Talking is not in my grammar. I can't. Kingly click kicks. Anything else? preferably sure. Okay. King kicks and 100 M's. Okay. So that's 100k. If it was 100k, I'd be like, sure. Because, it's 100k. But, if right now, I really want Starfrost Gates. I would be so happy to have a pair of Starfrost Gates. This person had 5 pairs of Starfrost Gates, and she still wanted stuff for them, even though she would have 4 left, which I think is dumb. If you have doubles, you shouldn't charge. Oh my god, he had 2 pairs of Kingly Kicks. That's gay. I'm gonna run the Ice Guardian. And my Kingly Kicks to see what they look like. My body type does not suit this. I'm gonna change deep. You gotta be skinny woman. Oh, they're not too bad. I can't believe that these 2 girls are so in sync. Yeah, Kingly Kicks and 100. So, let's do her. I'm not gonna do diamonds. So, yeah. Kingly Kicks. I don't like the boys' shoes because yeah. So yeah. But yeah, my big wing collection. Okay. Okay. Hi, guy. I'm recording, so that was just kind of on camera. Not camera, but you know what I mean. Let's try her. For these. Yeah. This gets pricey after a while. After I get all the beginnings, I will do a showcase. But yeah. Okay. Another bust. Let's do Oofy Twin number 1, Monica Best Bud. I bet she has Monica in her name. No. Okay. So, yeah, I'll tell you next time I get into a trade. Okay? Hi. Yeah, but my goal for this round is high school lacy boots. I'm going to break the rules here. Well, then I'm going to switch my item. Later. I know I have very bad items. I want better ones. Really bad. But, yeah. I need diamonds because, like legit. But yeah, and I think I have 7 days is when I get them for like 24k each. I had these at one point and they were so freaking cute. I want them again, but I'm just gonna need some money. Anyway, that's it for this video. I know it's been incredibly boring. Goodbye.